Technology has been changing dramatically over the past few years, from black and white TVs to CRTs to OLED TVs. And now, LG, who has been on the forefront of technological advancement and innovation, is coming up with this lineup of TVs which is said to be powered by artificial intelligence. Well, you can now control your TV through your voice command, and that's not all. It's said to be powered by the Alpha 9 processor, which would give you more immersive experience. So come, let's take a look at this lineup.
LG has finally launched its artificial intelligence AI Deep Think Cube powered OLED Super Ultra HD and Smart TVs television in India. The Korean electronic giant earlier this year introduced Deep Think Cube powered OLED TVs as a Consumer Electronic Affairs 2018. And now the company has launched its 4 variants in India, that is W8, B8, C8 and E8 of its OLED TVs. LG's Deep Think Cube AI TVs comes with a starting price of Rs 32,500 for 32 inches model and go all the way up to 29,49,990 for 77 inches model. LG Deep Think Cube powered OLED TVs runs on the company's latest Alpha 9 processor, which is capable of producing images at 128 frames per second for sports and action movies, while delivering improved screen resolution by optimizing color using AI technology. And that's not all. Customers can speak directly to the LG OLED TVs using the company's Magic Remote, which features single-click access, universal control, scroll, point and click, and to perform specific function that also includes switching to cinema mode with a simple voice command. LG Deep Think Cube OLED TVs come with self-lighting pixels and Dolby Atmos, which delivers the advanced object-based 360-degree surround sound to the customers. Deep Think Cube powered OLED TV supports a full palette of HDR, which includes Dolby Vision, Advanced HDR by Technicolors, HDR10 Pro and HLG Pro. These televisions also comes with 800 preset commands for Indian users, which works even without an internet. Additionally, LG also unveiled its 2018 range of 4K Super Ultra HD TVs with ThinkQ AI, Alpha 7 processor, Dolby Atmos and full array dimming in India.